How to put NGO link on Facebook profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put NGO link on Facebook profile. To put the NGO link on the Facebook profile, first tap to open NGO app. After opening up the NGO app, tap to copy your link. Now you copied your NGO link from here. Then tap to open up the Facebook app. Once you get into your Facebook account, and as you can see, I'm already in my Facebook account. From here, I'm going to click on menu on the top right corner. Now, tap to open up the profile from here. Then tap to edit profile from here. Scroll down in the edit profile and tap to add links from here. Here, tap to add a website. Once you added the link, tap to save it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.